Hey y'all, so I'm back with another natural hair tutorial. So this week I'm going to show you all how I managed to create this beautiful braided crown puff. Make sure that you stay tuned. So as you can see, my hair is divided into 3 large parts. So what I did first was part my hair directly horizontally across the middle section of my head. And then from there I made a middle part, and this part is completely up to you, but I like mine a little bit off-centered, okay? So from here, let's talk a little bit about our products. You will need some combs, a brush, Ego styling gel, some rubber bands potentially, bobby pins, as well as large hair ties. So all we're going to do next is divide the front sections of our hair in half, and you want them to be done equally, okay? So once that is complete, then we're just going to go ahead and braid each section, okay? And that's a French braid to be specific. If you cannot French braid, that's fine. Go ahead and just do a flat twist. And as you French braid, just be sure that halfway throughout the French braid that you are actually single strand twisting your hair, something like this, okay? And that's just gonna make takedown a little bit easier. From here, we're just gonna repeat these same steps all the way throughout the front sections of our hair. Alright ladies, so we're done with that first section of the front of our hair, and we're just going to go ahead and work on section number 2. We're almost there. Okay ladies, so the hard part is officially done. So look at our braids and these beautiful twists. So what we're going to do next is just begin to focus on this back section of our hair. So all I'm going to do is flat twist my hair into chunky flat twist, okay? So again, if that's not something that you like or that you're good at, feel free to do some braid outs, whatever it is that you feel like you can do and that you're comfortable doing. That's it, y'all. We are done, all right? So you all know the drill. It is now time for us to wrap our hair, and I will see you all on day 2. Okay, ladies, so it's day 2. So my hair laid really nicely overnight, as you can see. So we're just gonna go ahead and begin to take down our hair, okay? So as always, you can start off with some oil to help eliminate your frizz. And then from there, we're just going to take down our hair. Y'all, look at that definition right there. We about to be real cute. Alright ladies, so the takedown process is officially complete. I think this is so beautiful. So from here, all we're going to do is just pull and pick it out and stretch it out just a little bit to make our hair a little bit more full. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and put our hair up into a puff. So stay tuned. So from here, all we're going to do is just begin to grab our hair tie. And then I prefer to wrap mine twice. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around my hair. And then slowly just put my hair into a puff. So this go around, I wanted to do a low puff, not my usual high puff. But again, that's completely up to you. Okay, ladies, so it looks like we're done. This is the final result. I absolutely love it, and I hope you all love it too. At this point, you can go ahead and fluff, pick it out, do what else you need to do. But as for me and my head, this is a wrap. So as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will be back really soon. Bye.